Do you own a Tesla Model Y Juniper and want to protect its sleek green paint? This video guides you through installing mud flaps, also known as mud guards or wheel arch protectors. These simple additions significantly reduce damage from road debris, mud, and corrosion, especially crucial for the Model Y's low ground clearance. Protect your investment and maintain your car's appearance with this easy DIY project. We'll also cover why the Juniper color in particular benefits from this added protection. Mud flaps protect your Tesla Model Y Juniper from road debris and mud. Aftermarket options come in several durable materials. Rubber flaps offer flexibility and impact absorption. Plastic versions are lightweight and weather-resistant. Composite or urethane materials provide superior strength and UV resistance. Tesla offers an official mud flap kit made from ABS plastic, designed specifically for seamless integration with your vehicle's body lines. Key benefits of mud flaps include preventing corrosion on wheel arches, protecting your Juniper's paint from damage, and maintaining optimal aerodynamics by reducing drag. Standard mud flaps are 10 to 12 inches wide, providing proper coverage of the wheel arch without contacting the tire. This ensures effective protection while maintaining vehicle performance. When choosing materials for your Model Y Juniper, consider the pros and cons. Rubber is durable and absorbs impact well, but can crack in extreme cold. Plastic is lightweight and easy to install, though it may fade over time. Composite materials offer superior strength and longevity, but come at a higher cost. Before you start the installation, gather your essential tools: screwdrivers for various head types, drill bits in different sizes, zip ties for securing, and 3M spray adhesive for bonding. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection goggles. When drilling, avoid using power tools near the vehicle's batteries to prevent electrical risks. Ensure your workspace is well lit and free of obstructions. Finally, use a stable jack to safely lift your Tesla Model Y Juniper for access. First, park your Model Y Juniper on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. This ensures the vehicle remains stable throughout the installation process. Next, carefully jack up the vehicle using Tesla's recommended jacking points. These are marked on the underside to ensure safe lifting and prevent damage to the vehicle. Now, locate the plastic wheel liners on your Model Y. These are protective covers held in place by clips and must be removed to access the installation area. Gently remove the clips using a trim removal tool or flathead screwdriver. Work carefully to avoid damaging the liner or surrounding body panels. This preparation step is crucial for proper mud flap alignment. Once the liners are removed, you'll have clear access to fit the mud flaps correctly. When installing mud flaps on your Tesla Model Y Juniper, avoiding common mistakes is crucial for success. One frequent error is ignoring wheel liner removal, which results in improper fit and potential rubbing against tires or liners. Always remove the liners first to ensure clear access and proper alignment. Another mistake is using the wrong drill bits, which can damage the vehicle's body, cause overheating, or scratch the paint. Stick to self-tapping drill bits specifically designed for automotive applications to protect your Juniper's finish. Failing to waterproof exposed edges is also common and leads to rust formation, especially in rainy climates. Apply a suitable sealant to all drilled or cut areas to prevent corrosion and extend the life of your mud flaps. For troubleshooting, if you encounter alignment issues or vibrations, consult online communities like Tesla Motors Club or Reddit for detailed solutions and user experiences. Remember, precision in installation is key to avoiding warranty voids and ensuring optimal protection for your Tesla Model Y Juniper. Installing mud flaps can extend your Model Y Juniper's life by preventing underbody rust and paint damage, potentially increasing resale value. The rising popularity of aftermarket mods, including eco-friendly options, aligns with Tesla's commitment to sustainability. Future trends include smart flaps with sensors and AI-assisted DIY apps, making installation even easier. Protect your Tesla today and stay ahead of the curve.